Good morning, students. Today, I, Ketan Parmar, as a subject teacher of English grammar, today I am going to teach topic number 9, adjectives. This topic is given in the English textbook, English grammar textbook. So, if you are having this textbook, please open and study properly. Earlier, we have done 8 chapters. Now, today we are going to understand chapter number 9, and that is called adjectives. Before going to start the chapter, I would like to explain what is adjective. Adjective का जो definition है वो अंदर दिया गया है, but I will explain in detail. First, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Adjective is the parts of speech. There are total 8 parts of speech and adjective is one of them. So an adjective is a word that describes a noun. For example, there are nouns means name, that is invisible or invisible. आप कोई भी नाउन को लेकर एडजेक्टिव का यूज कर सकते हो. It will be carried after a noun or before a noun. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. For example, a hungry lion. The example is given there. A hungry lion. So lion is the noun. Lion is a noun. But what kind of lion it is? What kind of feeling or situation it has? For example, a hungry lion. It is a lion, but what kind of lion it is? It is a hungry lion. And so adjective क्या दिखा रहा है कि कोई भी noun हो, proper noun हो, common noun हो, collective noun हो, abstract, any noun that you take, वो कैसा है उसको हम डिस्क्राइब करेंगे. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल एक टेबल है, टेबल और चेयर है. अगर उस चेयर और उस टेबल को आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है, आई हैव अ चेयर, इट हैज़ 4 legs. ओके, इट हैज़ 4 legs. am I right? It is color of white, black, etc. सो जब आप कोई भी नाउन को क्या करते हो, डिस्क्राइब करते हो, जो डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए जो वर्ड यूज आप करते हो, किसी भी नाउन को आप डिस्क्राइब करते हो, वो कैसा है वो दिखाने के लिए, तो उसके लिए आपको कोई एक वर्ड की ज़रूरत है, और वो वर्ड कौन सा है? एडजेक्टिव. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव यू कैन डिस्क्राइब योर नाउन. Let me talk about one person. For example, Sumit. It is a person. Sumit, he is a person. Or we can say he is a boy. Sumit is a boy. That's it. But what kind of boy is he? What kind of nature he has? For example, I am saying Sumit is a smart boy. Sumit is a smart boy. सुमित एक लड़का है, लेकिन वो लड़का कैसा है वो आपको बताना है मुझे. तो सुमित इज ए स्मार्ट बॉय, बट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बॉय ही इज ए स्मार्ट बॉय. सो हियर आई एम डिस्क्राइबिंग सुमित, दैट सुमित इज अ बॉय, बट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बॉय ही इज अ स्मार्ट बॉय. सो हियर स्मार्ट इज कंसिडर्ड एज एन एडजेक्टिव. One more example is there, a yellow box. There are many types of box. Okay, you may observe many box surround you, but here we are talking about particular box, and that box is having particular color. And what is that? Yellow. So what will be the adjective here? Yellow. एक बॉक्स है वहाँ, मगर वो बॉक्स कैसा है, कौन से कलर का है? then you can say it is a box and it is a yellow box. So yellow word is considered as adjective. So with the help of this word you can describe your noun. Second, adjectives generally occurs before the nouns they describe. Adjectives generally occur before the noun. Generally means many times adjective take place before a noun. The angry elephant trumpeted loudly. What kind of animal? Angry. Angry मतलब बहुत गुस्से वाला. Okay. So the angry elephant trumpeted loudly. Trumpeted is the process of making sound, particularly from the elephant. When the elephant makes sound that you observe or you listen sometime, there is a particular name given to that voice or sound, that is trumpeted. For example, when the dog is barking, when the dog barks, bow bow. Okay, so that bow bow is given different name, that is bark. In the same way, the elephant when it makes sound, it is also given the different name, that is trumpeted. But when they do such things, when they are hungry, angry. So the angry elephant trumpeted loudly. So angry is the what? Adjective. A diamond is a precious stone, obviously. Diamond, we cannot say diamond is a useless things. Do we say? No. Because diamond is a precious thing. Diamond diamond is a noun. Or stone is also noun. But what is the personality? What is the main thing about the diamond? Diamond जो है एक स्टोन है, लेकिन वो कैसा स्टोन है? वो यूजलेस स्टोन है या ऐसे ही कोई फालतू स्टोन है? नहीं. डायमंड इज अ प्रीसियस स्टोन. सो प्रीसियस को हम क्या कहेंगे? एडजेक्टिव. थर्ड, adjectives can be also occur in the predicate without being followed by a noun. Adjective जो है वो predicate means the sentence is divided into two parts, subject and predicate. After the verb, from the verb to the last full stop, whatever you find, that is we can say predicate. For example, the elephant was angry. The elephant was angry. So adjective can be also occur in the predicate without being followed by a noun. Sometimes noun is not given after the adjective. In before sentence, as I said, a diamond is a precious stone. So stone is the noun which is given in the predicate side. But in the third, you will observe, you can see that the elephant was angry. So after the angry, there is no any noun. So sometime what happen? Adjective also can take place in predicate. For example, the elephant was angry. Second example, that is I am happy. I am happy. So happy can be considered as an adjective. A diamond is precious, obviously. So before earlier you can say a diamond is a precious stone, but in this sentence a diamond is precious. So sometime adjective does not lead the predicate. Got it? So or the adjective does not lead the noun sometime. So a diamond is precious. B. Formation of adjectives from other words. कुछ अदर फॉर्मेशन से भी हम सीखेंगे. You can form adjectives from other words by using word endings, suffixes such as or, ous, full, less, why, all, IVE able, array and ish. सफिक्स इसका मतलब होता है when you write any word and you put any 2 or 3 letters after that word and the meaning is going to be changed, that is called suffixes. Formation of adjectives from nouns. For example, courage. What? The word is courage. Courage का मतलब होता है the person who is having very strong thinking or strong ability to do something. Courage. Truth. Truth. Is a truthful boy. She is a truthful girl, or he is a truthful girl. She is a truthful girl, और he is a truthful boy. दोनों गर्ल और बॉय कैसे है? सच्चे है. तो ट्रूथ के पीछे what we added here? FUL, full. Health. Healthy. Tooth. Toothless. Nation. National. So among all these words, the words by endings suffixes such as OUS, full, last, Y, L, IVE, able, airy and ish. Second, formation of adjectives from verbs. Formation of adjectives from verbs. Sometimes from the verbs we can also make adjectives. How? Let's see. Attract. Attract is the adjective. Okay, sorry, attract is the word. She attracts to me. I attract to him. बट अट्रैक्ट को अगर एडजेक्टिव में कन्वर्ट करना है तो क्या करोगे आप? अट्रैक्टिव. व्हाट विल यू एडेड हियर? IVE. डिपेंड. डिपेंड्स इज द वर्ब, बट व्हाट इज द आइडिया टू चेंज इनटू एडजेक्टिव? दैट इज एबल. व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी एडेड ओनली हियर? डिपेंडेबल. इमेजिन. इमेजिन इज द वर्ब, बट हाउ कैन यू चेंज इनटू adjective? Then imaginary. So ARY will be added. So in some case you can add suffixes after the word or verbs and they become adjectives. Third, formation of adjectives from other adjectives. Formation of adjectives from other adjectives. एक एडजेक्टिव में से दूसरे एडजेक्टिव को कैसे बना सकते हैं? ब्लैक इट्स ऑल एडजेक्टिव. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई हैव अ ब्लैक पेन. आई हैव अ ब्लैक पेन. मेरे पास पेन है लेकिन कैसी है? ब्लैक. सो ब्लैक इज द एडजेक्टिव. बट सेम वे आपको ब्लैक में से दूसरा एडजेक्टिव बनाना है तो आप क्या करोगे? लेट्स सी. ब्लैक, जस्ट ऐड वन ऑफ द सफिक्स दैट इज IES. इट विल बिकम ब्लैकिश. हिस्टोरिक. Historic it's an adjective, but if you want to make another adjective from the historic, then you will just add CAL, or sorry, AL. After the historic you just add two suffix AL, that is called historical. We say sometime it's a historical moment that I have heard about. हिस्टोरिकल. कैसी मूवमेंट थी वो? हिस्टोरिकल, ऐतिहासिक. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द एक्सरसाइज. टिक आउट द एडजेक्टिव्स फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस एंड राइट देम डाउन. दिस बुक इज वेरी कलरफुल. वहां पर एक बुक है लेकिन वो बुक कैसी है? कलरफुल. सो कैसी? हाउ? सो एडजेक्टिव शोज द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर नाउन. वो कैसा है, कैसा दिखता है. पर्सन हो, बर्ड हो, एनिमल हो, कोई भी हो, एनी नाउन, उसका आप डिस्क्रिप्शन निकालोगे. एट दैट टाइम वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड एडजेक्टिव. So pick out the adjectives from the following sentences and write them down. This book is very colorful. So what is the answer here? Obviously colorful. Colorful is an adjective. Every cloud has a silver lining. जो क्लाउड, यू नो द क्लाउड इन द स्काई, यू ऑब्जर्व, उसको लाइनिंग कैसी होती है? सिल्वर. हर एक क्लाउड की एक लाइनिंग होती है, लेकिन कैसी होती है वो? सिल्वर. सो सिल्वर इज एन एडजेक्टिव. योर जेनरस योर डोनेशन कैन हेल्प सेव हेल्पलेस एनिमल. जेनरस मीन्स उदार मननु होવું ને એવું. યોર જેનરસ ડોનેશન કેન હેલ્પ સેવ હેલ્પલેસ એનિમલ. હેલ્પલેસ generous એટલે ઉદાર મનનું જે માણસ. there are many types of people. okay, so generous is a part of people or one kind of personality of the people or quality of the people. helpless, okay, जो helpless means person who does not like to help other. got it? So here there are two adjectives in this sentence, generous and helpless. Although my grandfather is old, he is very energetic. Many students have their grandfather and grandmother, but how they are? They are strong, they are weak. Okay, so these are the adjective. With the help of you can describe your grandfather or your grandmother. For example, although my grandfather is old, he is very energetic. So here old and energetic both are adjectives. The weak stepmother gave Snow White a poisonous apple. Weak means the weak stepmother gave Snow White a poisonous apple. कैसे एप्पल दिया? पॉइजनस मीन जहरी. योर बिहेवियर वॉज डिसग्रेसफुल. डिसग्रेसफुल मीन्स बिहेवियर विच इज नॉट गुड. सबका अलग अलग बिहेवियर होता है, लेकिन वो बिहेवियर को दर्शाने के लिए हम एडजेक्टिव का यूज करते हैं. फॉर वी आर सेइंग दैट योर बिहेवियर इज नॉट गुड, सो गुड इज द एडजेक्टिव. सो योर बिहेवियर वॉज डिसग्रेसफुल, सो डिसग्रेसफुल इट्स एन एडजेक्टिव. The foolish actions of the clone were very funny. Foolish. Foolish is the adjective which is described here with a person. Okay, the foolish actions of the clone were very funny. उसकी एक्शन क्या थी? कैसे थी? क्लोन की funny. Funny is a part of adjective and it's an adjective. The tribal people were in their traditional costumes. Tribal means Adivasi people, Adivasi log. The tribal people were in their traditional costume. Reef mangoes are juicy and sweet. Reef means pakka hua mango, juicy and sweet. So three adjectives are there: reef, juicy and sweet. The large garden was full of red and white roses. There are many gardens, okay, but the garden you visit every day, what kind of garden it is? It is very large. So large is the word which is considered as adjective, which is used to describing your garden. So large can be considered as an adjective. Red is also adjective and white is also adjective. Here we are talking about roses. But there are particular two colors are given, red and white. Rose is there, I have a rose, but which color of rose I have? If I want to clear that, then I can say I have a red color rose. So red can be considered as an adjective. Second, exercise number 2. Form adjectives of the words given below, choosing suitable endings from the brackets. Form adjectives of the words given below, choosing suitable endings from the brackets. Wealth. So wealthy. So in bracket you observe the letters. These all are considered as suffixes because suffixes takes place after the word and it will change meaning of the word. Wealth, wealthy. Danger, dangerous. Season, seasonal. Impress, impressive. Accept, acceptable. Brown, brownish. Cloud, cloudy. Pain, painless. Custom, customary. Harm, harmful. You can observe here after the each word different suffixes are added, and once they add, meanings are changed. Exercise number 3 now. Given below is an incomplete advertisement published by a circus. Look at the picture and complete the advertisement with words from the list given below. So here there are 10 adjectives are there in the bracket or box. With the help of those adjectives you can complete the blanks, and the title of the blank is came to the circus. The word circus you know because you observe or you may come across previously. Watch brave trainers get into cages with first lions. Brave means himmatwan. First means ghatki. Okay. Watch brave trainers get into cages with first lions. Watch beautiful horses perform graceful dances. Beautiful is an adjective. Graceful is also an adjective. The naughty monkeys and funny clowns will make you laugh. Who will make us laugh? The naughty monkeys and funny clowns will make you laugh. Daring trapeze artists will do dangerous stunts. The person who works in the circus, they will do dangerous stunts. Stunts are done with the different body action. Huge elephants will play an enjoyable game of cricket. What kind of animal were there? Huge means bade bade. Huge elephants will play an enjoyable game of cricket. Have you ever seen the match of any elephant? No, but when you go to the circus, you might have seen or you may seen. So watch brave trainers get into cages with first lions. Watch beautiful horses perform graceful dances. The naughty monkeys and funny clowns will make you laugh. Daring trapeze artists will do dangerous stunts. Huge elephants will play an enjoyable game of cricket. So it is about the lesson number 9 that we consider as adjective.